Came off the line a bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure that that's going to be my hole.
Obviously, you just switch on the knife.
Obviously.
That's the way we do it here in Switzerland.
That's how it goes.
Check it out. Go ahead and pull it out of its holes real quick so we can see the little dowel set up in there. We haven't glued anything, so we just made 2 holes in the body right here, and then the neck comes pre-drilled with a couple of holes, and we measured them out and lined them up, and you know, we're pretty good. There's about a millimeter of difference between the height of the, but it doesn't matter, it disappears underneath the fretboard anyway, and that'll give the fretboard good contact anyhow against the body. So we're looking pretty good. We're almost looking like a little actual little instrument here, you know. Rock and roll. Look at that, son of a beach. That's a beautiful son of a beach. Beautiful. Oh shit. The glue residue from the outside of the neck. It's between the rubber bands. We tried to get most of it off, but we put a good pack on there, so.
Yeah, maybe we used a little too much glue.
Yeah, it's alright.
Better too much than too little.
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so we'll get that done and sand that off. Now we're just using the cabinet scraper to get off the glue residues and to shave the neck down just a little bit to the shape of the fretboard. And then we're gonna go ahead and give it a sand. But for now, we're just using a cabinet scraper, and that's it. All right,
done.
Yeah.
Top here a little bit.
So now we're giving a sanding to the neck and fretboard. And as you can see, the frets are getting nice and shiny. And there we go. We just dry put on the neck to see if everything's good, and like our neck, our calculation for the sound hole and where the fretboard's going to end up ended up perfect. We've got just a 1/16 of an inch, or say about a millimeter down there, which is perfect. Our nut area is perfect. We look like we're joining up really nice to the body, almost flat. Everything is good. Our fretboard is up tight to the body without it even being glued in. So basically, we're almost good to go to continue on.